once again, got another package in the mail. And if you can read from this, it says Star Wars hand puzzle. And, well, there's a quick backstory behind this. If you are a long-time viewer, been subscribed to my channel and been watching my videos for the past 5-6 years or so, you will remember that I did an unboxing of one of these puzzles back then in 2015, 5 years ago. And I was playing around with it, messing around with it, trying to move it and put it back together and stuff, and broke. And I'm disappointed with that. But anyway, I got another one, but this time I got two, but they're not all both exactly the same. No, but one of them, another copy of the one that I broke. But this is Star Wars 2x2 head puzzle. And these are coming from Canada, which is surprising because that's where they originally came out in. So, yeah, here it is. Here's this one. No, which has Obi-Wan and I forget the other person's name was. Well, yeah, it's half Saul. So, yeah, and the turning of it is very stiff. No. And then this other one was the one that I originally had, but accidentally broke. So, R2-D2 C3PO one. And these were produced back in 2001 or 2000 or something like that, as a promotion through Kellogg's of Canada. So any of the Kellogg cereal, like Fruit Loop, would have it. So you would go to your grocery store, like Walmart, something like that, pick up a box of Fruit Loops back then, and you would get, like, one of these in it, or something like that. Yeah. And these turn, like, really stiff. And the mechanism of this is kind of a bit weird. No. For the mechanism it is. No, which, it's not typical for the normal Rubik's 2x2 of this era, which these are actual Rubik products. No. Rubik's brand products. No. And I do have, this 2x2, which is from the same era, though this came out a little bit earlier than these, though, but this is like same era. And surprisingly enough, even though these are very similar size, no, they're not using the exact same mechanism, which kind of boggles my mind of why. Since considering Rubik's brand 2x2, Rubik's brand 2x2 head, and then the Darth Maul 2x2 that came out around 1999, uses the exact same mechanism as this 2x2 right here, regular 2x2, which I don't understand it. But yeah, that's my unboxing of these two Star Wars 2x2 puzzles, and there's actually like 5 or 6 of these out there. So yeah, and at some point I would like to get all the complete set of it.